Welcome to Jamaica.
Yeah, man, greetings everyone. Stewie coming to you again from beautiful Montego Bay, Jamaica, with a major hurricane in the Atlantic region. Even though the hurricane was some distance away, it was influencing wind direction in Jamaica, so it was runway 25 action all day. From this vantage point, runway 25 passes the aircraft right in front of the lens of the camera, almost at eye level, just in time to see the landing gear being retracted. You will enjoy this one. Watch this.
Sir, continue the approach for 615 Echo.
And JetBlue 1193 arrives 03 vacate taxi Charlie contact ground 121.7.
217 JetBlue 1193.
Copa 147 San Tower.
147, go ahead.
Copa 147 standby departure, one aircraft landing runway 25.
147.
Number 61 Papa Echo, clear to land runway 25, wind 310 degrees at 8 knots.
64 Papa Echo, cleared to land runway 25. We're going over to signature.
61 Papa Echo, roger. Copa 147 behind the landing Beechcraft, aircraft no over the lights, enter and backtrack and bus on runway 25.
And Beachfront on finals, backtrack runway 25, and I'm going to break Copa 147.
From Papa Echo, arrived 06, vacate taxi Bravo and contact ground 121.7.
Sure, vacate taxiway Bravo and switch to ground.
147 when the bus is on clear takeoff, runway 25, wind 310 degrees 7 knots.
Takeoff line position, runway 25, Copa 147. Taxi Tower, west at 2565, ready for departure, runway 25.
Bravo 2565, Frankfurt Tower, enter and backtrack in position, runway 25.
Track to position, runway 25, WestJet 2565.
Copa 147, airborne 09 on contact radar 120.8 today.
Simoy, Copa 147, good day, thank you.
Delta 2565, clear for takeoff, runway 25, wind 300 degrees 7 knots.
South runway 25, WestJet 2565. Vector Tower, American 3154 on the RMP runway 25 outside Ridger.
American 3154, thanks for cover. Continue approach runway 25.
We'll continue for 25, American 3154.
Westjet 2565, airborne 12, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Over to 120.8, Westjet 2565, see ya.
American 3154, clear to land, runway 25, wind 310 degrees, 7 knots.
Land runway 25, American 3154.
650 on the RMP 25.
Lieutenant 06, thanks for tower, continue approach, runway 25. American 3154, Arab 15, vacate taxi Delta, contact ground 121.7.
121.7, American 3154.
Southwest China 06, clear to land, runway 25, wind 310 degrees, 8 knots.
5 Southwest 906.
Southwest 906, Arab 19, vacate taxi Charlie, contact ground 121.7.
Charlie, over to ground Southwest 906. We'll talk to you in a bit.
Wings 3780, thanks at all.
Yeah, we'll be ready here, Spirit 3780.
Wing 370, RED 2, confirm ready for departure.
He's ready for departure.
Spirit 3780, enter and back check in position on runway 25, clear for takeoff, wind 320 degrees, 9 knots.
Turn back track on 25 and clear for takeoff, Spirit Wings 3780.
American 439er, enter and back taxiing position on runway 25.
Runway 25, American 439.
3780, reach squawk 6775. Ring 3780, reach squawk 6775.
What's in there? 6775.
That's radar 120.8.
20, is it 20.8 or 28.8?
20.8.
120.8, Sparrow Wings 37.
Clear, takeoff, runway 25, wind 310 degrees, 8 knots.
Wind runway 25, clear for takeoff, American 439.
American 439, airborne time 26, contact approach 120.8, good day.
0.8, good day to you as well, American 439er.
295, good day, continue approach runway 25.
Said 1163.
Headed 1163, wind 300 degrees, 7 knots, clear to land 25.
Wind 25, another 1163.
Delta 1928, short 25 for full wings.
One 928, thanks, Total, good day. Confirm you said you are fully ready to go?
Yes, we're ready.
Wait, backtrack into position for 25.
Runway back taxi for 25, Delta 1928.
On time 32 vacate on Charlie. That's the next intersection coming up. Then clear contact ground 121.7.
Then vacate via Charlie, ground on 121.7, out at 1163.
When in position, you're clear for takeoff, runway 25, current wind 310 degrees at 8.
Roger, after we get in position, clear for takeoff, runway 25, Delta 1928, thank you.
1928 airborne time 35, contact approach 120.8, good day.
Approach 120.8 Delta 1928, good day.
So Scorpion 1-3.
Clear that.
Then a departure from 1 Echo.
113, thanks, tower, wind 320 degrees at 8, 1011 on the QNH, you're cleared, southwesterly departure, remain south and clear of the departure path.
Now you're coming in broken 1-3.
Scorpion 1-3, fine check, how do you read now?
Transport 1-3.
Wind 320 degrees at 7 knots, 1011 on the QNH, cleared vertical, southwesterly departure, ensure that you remain south and clear of the departure path, runway 25.
011, cleared vertical departure southwest, remain south and clear of the departure in 25, 1-3.